of the party. Kindly.
Thank you, Baggy. Praise God, church. Praise God. My name is Edwin Sifuna, Senator of the Great County of Nairobi, and SG of ODM, and also the Deputy Whip of the minority in the Senate. I want to start by apologizing for coming late. There was an assignment that I had been sent to in Kiambu, and it has taken longer than it should have. But I thank God that I am able to come here, and I was following the service online. I know the encumbrances that you've placed upon us as a church in terms of what we can say here, and I will be even more encumbered now that you have allowed us to stand on this holy ground. But allow me to say that we as the ODM family are eternally grateful to George and his family for the sacrifice that he has had to give all these years that he has been in service with Mzee Raila Amolo Odinga. I want you people to consider the wild swings of the security environment around Raila Odinga. On one fine morning, you are in an African capital, saying hi to diplomats, greeting presidents, a very calm place. The next day, you have to get Baba into Kamkunji grounds, where there's thousands of enthusiastic supporters whose love for Mzee is itself a security risk. Then on the next day, you have to extract Raila Odinga from Embakasi South and a hail of bullets and tear gas. That is how wildly Raila's security environment swings. But we had a gentleman in George who in all those circumstances remained professional and always courteous. I have been SG of ODM, this is now my 8th year. And I'm telling you, even when I began, it was very difficult. But George was guiding us, Pastor Burale, on simple things, like how long you have to wait when Mzee gets out of the car, how you stand there to receive him, which side you walk on. You know, some of us were just all over the place. He was the one who was teaching us protocol. You walk into a place for lunch, there is a bevy of young people wanting to take photos with Jacom. It's crazy, I'm telling you. But George did it with such grace, and that is why my tribute, I said, I think in the political landscape in this country, being Raila's bodyguard has to be one of the most difficult jobs. I know all of you who have been around Mzee know what exactly I'm talking about. So my job here this afternoon is on behalf of myself, my family, on behalf of the people of Nairobi, on behalf of the party headquarters, and all of us who have worked and known George, to say pole to the family for the loss. We know nothing we can say here can take away the unbearable pain of losing a loved one. But we want to assure you of our support and our availability for you during this difficult time. And we just pray that may God rest George's soul in eternal peace. Asanteni sana na Mungu azidi kuwabariki.